Gusto Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to Gusto are in the description if you want to check it out. Gusto is a payroll and tax management software designed for small to mid-sized businesses. It automates payroll processing, tax filings, and compliance while integrating benefits administration and HR tools. The software calculates and files federal, state, and local payroll taxes automatically, ensuring compliance with changing regulations. Gusto also generates W-2s and 1099s, making tax season hassle-free. A key advantage is its intuitive interface, making payroll processing easy even for non-experts. Employee self-service portals allow workers to access pay stubs, tax documents, and benefits, reducing admin workload. Gusto also supports direct deposit, multiple pay schedules, and contractor payments. Designed for businesses needing an all-in-one payroll and tax solution, Gusto is ideal for startups, growing companies, and even freelancers managing 1099 contractors. Its automation saves time, minimizes tax errors, and ensures compliance without requiring in-depth tax knowledge. Pricing is competitive, with tiered plans based on features, making it scalable for different business sizes. Downsides? Some advanced features are locked behind higher-tier plans, and support can be slow during peak times. However, for most businesses, the benefits outweigh these drawbacks. Overall, Gusto simplifies payroll and tax management, reducing the burden on business owners. If you need reliable, automated payroll tax filing with HR tools, it's a strong choice. Check the links below to learn more.